Hi, it's Peg, and today's video is all about the Pick a Stick Challenge Artist Trading Card. Now for this we pick 3 prompts, 1, 2, 3 in order, which are dog, drip, and knife. We also have a wild card that you can substitute if you don't like one of those. And we have a color, which is blue. So what am I doing? Well, because the first prompt is dog, I have to draw a dog, right? So I'm just getting out a pencil and a piece of scrap paper, and I'm sketching out my dog that I will be incorporating into my artist trading card. Now, if you guys are not members of Pick a Stick Challenge, which is a Facebook group, and you're interested in doing something like that, please come and join us. Remember to answer the questions when you click on the want to join, because if we don't hear from you answering those questions, we're going to assume you're, a computer or a robot or something, and not add you to the group. And we really would like to add you to the group. So, just answer simple questions. It's not a quiz where you're getting graded or anything. It's just to let us know that you are a real person. Okay, so I've got my little dog cut out. I'm going to take a Posca pen and draw the image. Now that I don't trust myself going direct with the pen, so I'd sketched with a pencil. Now I'm going to take my pen and draw out the image and add some coloration and things. Now, the blue is going to come into the background, and so number 2 says drip, and that's what I intend to do, is to drip some color on the background, and it's going to be blue. Go figure. And I'm going to use some contrasting colors, kind of a orangish brown, to my dog's coat. Gonna erase those pencil marks. Yeah, that's about the size of that. And you can see I've got my, what are those? Not big brush, they're brush pens. And I'm doing my coloration on the dog. They are India ink pens, and I like them a lot for doing that type of work. And just finishing up the detail here. Artist trading cards are 2.5 by 3.5 inches. They're just like, the old baseball trading cards. So it's real small surface to try to create something on. It's a lot different than working in a journal. But because we offer artist trading cards and an altered tag and a journal, you have plenty of opportunity to practice. Okay, so now I have some liquid acrylics, and I'm just dripping them down the artist trading card to add my color. Didn't like the way it, let's see, I think this is done with watercolor paper, and that acrylic kind of soaked in way too fast for me. I didn't like what was happening there, so you'll see me, I'm going to come back and add some splatters so that I still have my drips. It's just different than what I had originally intended. So cleaning up my craft mat, drying things off, I'm going to glue the dog down, add a quote, and that'll be about it for this artist trading card. If you are new to my channel and you like this sort of thing, be sure and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell for notifications. There's information in the description box below if you want to join in our groups. We have a couple going on, and Pick a Stick is just one of them. And you can find all of my social media links there, plus a link to an Amazon store if you see something here that you're interested in and want to go shop. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.